Hello friends, welcome to my channel. How are you? Today's topic is many of you are asking that if we are in separation phase, which you all call separation, but I always disapprove that. There is no such type of an existence. Okay, there is no separation period between twins. It's not possible that you two could get separated. You are one. So don't give this vibration of the separation. Now come to the point. Many of you ask that during our I would rather suggest you that call it period of spiritual growth. Okay, spiritual work. You can say spiritual growth, because if you are saying separation, then you are giving the wrong vibration to the universe. Okay, and you know that the vibration you are sending, it could become your reality. It becomes your reality for sure. So never say separation. Okay, so now again come to the point. Many of you are saying that during this period, if our twin call us or text us, then should I reply or not? Okay, so it's a major confusion. Okay, now I ask you one thing. Please reply. Okay, honestly. Is your twin a monster? Now you will see. No, what are you saying? Then why this fear? If they call you, if they text you, then behave normally. Give them reply. Why not? Talk to them. Okay. You people think that they can steal your spiritual energy. They will come and they will steal your energy. So my dear angels, please mind, they are also very ascended souls. If this person is a divine masculine, mind it, he is also very mature soul, ascended soul. Okay, and they are in this spiritual journey, they are far more mature than you. Okay, so if you are trying to if you are waiting for their awakening, now again I will clear this point. Awakening, so called awakening, DM ka awakening. So no, the first day you people met, both of you get awakened. Your twin is awakened. Never say this type of a thing. Ma'am, I can't reply because it will delay their awakening. What is this? They are already awakened. Okay, so always say it can delay their ascension. They are already awakened the day when you people first met. Okay, so now you can talk to them, you can reply them. The thing is, there is no such type of a thing that they can steal your energy, they can run, they can steal your spiritual energy. No, it's you are responsible for losing your spiritual energy. Only you and you are responsible, because when they call you or when they text you, if you are not if you cannot maintain your balance at that point of time, if you get overwhelmed, if you get super excited, if you get means if you are expecting too much at that time, then you are going into the imbalance, and only that fact can harm your journey. Only this fact can harm your spiritual growth, not your DM. He is not responsible for this thing. If they call you or they text you, then you get imbalance. It's you, not them. Okay. And one more thing, if it is so, okay, that your person can steal your energy, or they can steal your spiritual energy, then please tell me one thing. All these DFs who are making videos on the who is coming on screen, okay, and they are making videos for you, then it means that their DM is never going to come back. So please mind it. They are also in spiritual journey. Okay. They are coming on the screen. They are making videos for you. So do you think that it could happen? No. It's only you. You should stay balanced at that time. You should behave properly as you behave with other people. Okay. So this was the reply for your doubt. Thank you so much.